You create orders, link Hyrule, and check some stuff in. But basically, you got to come here. Let's do arrows, iron arrow, and do primary quantity of 1. And if you add this line item, it should be good. And then you should be able to have the ship and close order show up here along the bottom. Now, once you click the ship and close order, you see this has kind of come up in a weird kind of format, and we kind of probably want to revise this to something a little bit nicer. The old look was something like this, right? So these are the elements that we need in there, which you kind of still see, but we need to get it, but we kind of need to do it in a nice modal kind of way. We don't need this cancel in here, so we don't need that cancel. We just need a ship and close button, and we can probably have that along the bottom next to these charges, but we shouldn't have it be this big, and it should be kind of like a nice modal thing. And basically, if you ship and close, you'll probably see that it's going to be successful. But also the other thing is, we had this originally in the manage orders. Manage orders.html. So at the very top we had this div kendo window, right? This is where the HTML is for it. We really should get this out of this HTML thing and make it its own separate kind of view with a separate controller. So right now it looks like this controller is in the manage orders controller. So we should make that its own separate controller and own separate view. And so you should do that, get that redesigned. But basically, if you followed that example and you did ship and close, you would expect something like that, success in order. So you need to, so this is my local, but I'm hitting off of Luigi. So you'll need to do an update. You'll need to kind of redesign that section, externalize the view and the controller so they're not in that main one, and then just double check that it's working and everything is happening there. So